first thing I gotta give you is title.
What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it's time to watch this video. Sorry for the lack of videos. As always, stupid busy. But I have some video ideas ready. And today it is actually around 10 o'clock. It's a Toys for Tots show today. So we're about to clean the truck up real quick. Yeah, I mean, it's wet and raining. There's really no need, but I'm gonna clean it up real quick. And plus, we're about to go to O'Reilly's real quick to get the fender pins. And then we're gonna put those bad boys on, and it should look like a totally different truck. So, without further ado, welcome to the channel. Roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So we're halfway done. Just gotta do the backside and then the wheels. Then we're about to go get the fender flare rivets real quick, and then pop those bad boys on. My neighbors probably think I'm an idiot washing my truck in like 43 degree weather, but whatever. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm a little sick. Forgive me, but truck is all the way clean. As clean as it's gonna get in the rain. It's freaking raining. It's been raining for like 3 days straight, but. We're on the way to O'Reilly's. It's like 2 minutes up the road, and we're about to get these pins, and after that we're gonna put these things on, and I'll see you at the show. Whoever is gonna be there, come by, say hi, and yeah. Package secured. And dang, postman pulled me over, bro. Got the diesel, got the snacky snacks. Got the most important bang. Got the cowboy hat for later. If you know, you know. Got my kilo bag of chips. And this is my water, and this is your plastic bag. Got the fender flares finally on. Doesn't look too bad. It looks way better than before. But and I fixed that bumper gap earlier, like I said in a previous video. But other than that, she's looking alright with the stocks. There's a nice clean white Duramax over there. Duramax right here. Duramax right here. There's Duramaxes everywhere. So you really Duramax Mafia, baby. They need to buy the one JW's has. But other than that, we're about to go see JW and Alex. We're about to get them all on the camera. JW's new bumper, thing's so sexy. And then Project Tahoe's all finished up with the nice Anthem wheels. Looks so good. It's got a little leveling kit on it, and I'm pretty sure it's 20 by 12s. Yep, 20 by 12s. Looks really good. And look at this. This show right here, y'all, is for a great cause. It's for Toys for Tots, obviously. We got all this loaded up with toys for the kids. That's awesome. Big Gen Y hitch, oh my god. Man of the hour.
Hey, whoa. I'm not allowed to be on camera.
Oh, shit. Alright, sorry. Big Daddy Alex.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones?
Trying to get some tacos.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Trying to get some tacos. Food check. Got a nice little steak taco.
Here's your brisket. This is the one with the cherry slice on it.
Alright. Thank you, boss man.
Already got a man, and I'm about to make a case. Like for money, I ain't never had shit in the road.
He's operating a UFO right now. Not sure if we should communicate with him. It's way over there. Alright, this is the Kids' Choice Awards. A lot of good trucks won, and a car, a Charger. So we're about to go back to the truck now. It's a little cold, and we're going to wait till they do the regular top 10 and then the top 3 awards. And then we're probably going to go get something to eat because we're hungry, am I right? Starving Marvin. So after that, yeah. Truck looks pretty good with the fender flares on it. Glad I put them back on. And like I said, I gotta remove this plastic dip. I'll probably do that tonight. Or no, not tonight. I'll probably do that tomorrow or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna wrap the roof black, and then that'll probably be it. It'll be semi looking decent after that. I think this dude's battery just died. Hope not. Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna get with y'all as soon as we get done and waiting on these trophies.
Alright, so I'm gonna do it. I know I got one more raffle and we got trophies and all this other crazy stuff to do.
Finish those.
Nah, I'll go ahead and do this now. I'm taking everybody's time. So, all of you guys know, if you're with NSD or watch JW's YouTube or any of that stuff, this Tahoe we've been building for my little brother. I know it was supposed to be covered with a truck cover, but the wind kind of took that away. And anyway, for all of you that haven't been watching, we've done 20% all the way around, 75 on the windshield, 5 on the sunscreen, custom headlights and bumper lights, changed the bumper out because the lady that we bought it from wrecked it, so we put a new bumper on. We did, Anthem hooked us up with some wheels. We got Dealer Options hooking us up with tires. Supreme Suspension hooked us up with a lift kit. Everything that we've got on this thing, I wanted to go all out and had to do what I could. So huge shout out to JW for helping me out with doing this for my brother. And first thing I gotta give you is title. By the way, the tag is really expensive, so that's why it's not one on there. But and here's your keys. And see, we got a little Supreme bottle opener for when we crack a beer later. But yeah, so now that I've done that for you and everything, I'm gonna sleep in tomorrow, and you're gonna deliver all the toys. Okay?
Got places to go, man.
Oh no.
I'm gonna need that clip.
Good Christmas, I mean. Anyway, hey, dude, I do appreciate everything you've done for me and being there for me and all that stuff. So this is yours, and surprisingly, we built it to match your truck, which is pretty crazy. You like it?
Say it. You like it? You gotta say you like it. Okay. That's good enough.
Good enough for me. Good enough for me. Yeah. Start it up. Let's hear what it sounds like. No muffler, no problem, guys. No muffler, no problem. Give it a little bit. Let's hear it. One more time. I didn't hear it. Oh, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. High five to that one. You do it one more time for me? Do it one more time. good one. Oh yeah, that was a good one, boy. That's how you do it.
So that about does it. Great show tonight. It was amazing. A lot of pretty decent turnout for the first time. And some pretty nice whips. But definitely be back next year. Thank you, Merrick. Thank you, JW, for setting everything up. We really appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you watched it in this video, drop a like and subscribe. That would really mean a lot. And I'll see you next video.
She deliver my baby. All these fluids gon' have us sedated. Smoking pressure, I get elevated. Moving slow like I work for the major. By my money, I'm getting impatient. Can't wait to say I made it. Baby, I'm getting impatient. Please just have my baby. Blue dreams, I'm taking fuck your wifey. I don't got no problem with her nice thing. Yeah, she biting cause she love her white thing. My dreams, 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 my dreams. But they wanna change up when he gets a change up. You a lame for the fame, cuz killing shit, I'm dangerous. Paint her face like a painter, drop dick like an anchor. She'll lead, don't think though. Disappear like a flame blow. But she keep on leading me on. I'ma fuck, I'ma leave her tomorrow. I'm a freak, I just love how she moan. And she keep on turning me on. Drip diamonds and video songs. Get high and I go to the moon. Go to the moon. Go to the moon. Life's good.